Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Very often others see opportunities where we as Jamaicans see challenges and doom. Earlier this year, Guardian Holdings, one of the Caribbean's largest indigenous companies with an asset base of $3.5 billion US, bought Globe Insurance Company for $38 million US, thus bolstering its life and general insurance business in Jamaica. CEO of Guardian Holdings, Jeff Mack, is in Jamaica to deal with regulatory and other issues. He's not daunted by Jamaica's current poor economic conditions, emphasizing that Guardian Holdings is in the island for the long haul. He was speaking at a press conference earlier today.
And we do, in fact, take this longer-term view of Jamaica. And I think that the best way to demonstrate that is, in fact, the new kind of capital that we're putting into Jamaica. As I mentioned, over the last 18 months, $53 million US that we've put into Jamaica. On top of the profitability of the two companies we have here, we keep putting that money back into the companies, allowing them to grow.
In its quest to leverage the fairly strong brand name of its parent company, Pan-Caribbean Financial Services was formally rebranded and subsequently relisted on the Jamaica Stock Exchange as Sagicor Investments Jamaica Limited. Here's President and CEO of Sagicor Investments Jamaica Limited, Donovan Perkins.
I believe that given so much of what we are is reflected in that powerful letter S, that S be the symbol that Sagicor Investments will trade under from this day forward on the stock exchange. This symbol reflects and will continually remind us of the strength of the Sagicor brand, pushing us to strive for success by serving our customers well every day.
The Jamaican dollar continues to weaken. The US and Canadian dollars, as well as the British pound, all closed at record highs against the local dollar today. The benchmark American dollar gained 11 cents Jamaican to close at a new record high average selling rate of $92.88, whilst the Canadian dollar advanced by 15 cents Jamaican to close at $94.86. A new high. Sterling jumped by $2.66 or 1.7% to a new record high of $153.05. The greenback fetched as high as $96.29 Jamaican today. News on the market now, and the Jamaican market was characterized by exceptionally moderate trading today, with just about 234,000 units changing hands, and losses by Carreras and Scotia Group triggered declines in the stock market indices, with the main JC index losing 128 points or 1/10%. Mayberry Investments accounted for 43% of such trades. 14 stocks traded, with 3 advancing, 4 declining, and 7 holding firm. The winners were Mayberry, NCB, and the Sagicor Investments Jamaica Limited, formerly Pan-Caribbean. The losers were Carreras, Jamaica Producers, Alaska Distributors, and Scotia Group. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.